make a slip knot. Chain 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. And third chain from loop. Place half a double crochet into all 8 stitches. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Chain 2 and turn. Continue row 2 with half double crochet in each stitch in the back loop only. Each row should have 8 stitches total. Chain 2, turn your work. Continue with half a double crochet in back loop only in all 8 stitches, and you're going to work this pattern for the remainder of the ribbon. Remember, on the ends, you want to place a stacked half a double crochet, keeping the edges straight. Chain 2. Place your stitch marker. Turn your work. Continue with half double crochet and back loops only in all 8 stitches to complete the row. Going to continue from the ribbon using 5mm hook, and we're going to create stitches along the length of the ribbon. We are going to place single crochets, 1 in the ridge part and 2 in the sunken parts. Doing this, we're making stitches because there are none right there. 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, until you complete the length of your ribbon. I'll meet you back over here. That's how it looks once we add the stitches at the top of our ribbon. A 6mm hook, chain 3. Your work. Place double crochets into each stitch along the row. That's the pattern. We're going to repeat row 2 all throughout the back panel. Double crochets into each stitch along the row. When you get to the end, you're going to chain 2, turn your work, double crochet. Remember to place your stitch markers, guys, on the end of that turning chain because we do count that chain of 2 as a stitch. I'm going to work my double crochets into every stitch to complete this row, and I'll meet you back at the end. Remember, at the end, last stitch, you're going to place a stacked double crochet. Chain 2, turn your work. Row 3 is a repeat of row 2. You're going to place double crochets into each stitch in the row. And you're going to continue this pattern until you reach the desired length for your sweater. Remember to place a stacked double crochet onto the last stitch in the row so that you're not forgetting about that turning chain stitches right there. The back panel is going to be very easy, guys. It's just chaining 2, turning your work, double crochet into every stitch. You're going to do that until you reach your desired length that you want your sweater to be. I'll meet you back, part 2, so we can do the front panel.